Hello, and welcome to Schneider Electric Exchange. Exchange.sc.com is an open business platform where you can connect with over 60,000 professionals from all over the world with a common interest in industry and automation, and its integration in power and energy management. Whether system integrators, OEMs, technology providers, new digital players, or end users, you are all facing similar challenges. So, connect with peers and industry experts across market segments in dedicated communities and find technical tools and development resources to help you co-innovate. You can also access a marketplace with over 500 digital offers. All of these are available through Exchange to help you solve your most pressing sustainability and efficiency challenges. So sit back and listen to learn more and discover how others are using Exchange to drive collaboration, innovation, and business growth.
This is Schneider Electric Exchange, a bold, open business platform where experts and innovators solve everyday energy management and automation challenges every day. A place where efficiency and sustainability meet practicality and profitability. Here you can gain access to tools and resources to answer your own business challenges or solve someone else's. Speed up time to market with a little help from the experts. Reach new partners, customers, and markets around the globe. Let's get technical for a sec. With Exchange, you can dig deep into a library of software solutions and design documentation to enrich projects, or play with developer resources like Schneider and third-party APIs, SDKs, and datasets. You can also tap the community for help, seek out service providers, developers, engineers and integrators, operations managers, and technologists, or harness the power of the crowd to answer challenges. Ask or advise through the forums, and find the right people to help scale your business. Then there's the marketplace. Breakthrough solutions need a home, a place to be found and sold. This is it. Open, accessible, and easy to browse, the marketplace is where bold ideas thrive. That's Schneider Electric Exchange. What are you waiting for?
Okay, now you know a little bit more about what Exchange is. So let's learn from others how they are tapping into the ecosystem through this open platform and the value it provides to their business. Here's an excerpt from a recent Let's Exchange Innovation talk on the topic of open automation. Our panel of experts from Wood, Sinusis, and Schneider Electric share their experience of using Exchange. Let's hear what they have to say about Exchange, an open business platform that brings experts and peers together in a new digital ecosystem, and how it can enable partners to keep up with the speed of doing business in the digital world.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone, and welcome to our Innovation Talk Let's Exchange series. I'm Monique Elliott, Senior Vice President of Global Marketing for Industrial Automation at Schneider Electric. And I am joined by a panel of experts that will be sharing their perspectives on universal automation. We're going to explore how joining an open ecosystem of experts is key to helping your business thrive in our ever-changing world today. So with me, I have Andre Bobineau, Marketing Director for Schneider Electric's Next Generation Industrial Automation Incubator, Bridget Fitzpatrick, Global Technical Lead at Wood, a leading global system integrator for process controls and safety systems, and Franco Cavandini, R&D Project Manager at Synesis Consortium, an expert in technology transfer of advanced automation solutions. Could you tell us a little bit too about the communities that we have on scexchange.com?
Certainly, I can talk a little bit about the exchange, and it's really what it is. It's a bunch of experts that can answer all your questions. First, you can definitely share your expertise, your experience, like Bridget has done some real life project. It's really an environment where she could share some of that expertise and knowledge, and also some of the proven in use software that they develop to be able to share it with the larger community. So you can really collaborate with peers and also other solutions that others may bring and want to really start exchanging with others.
Excellent, excellent. So maybe, Franco, I can go to you on this one, and you can help us understand, why do we need this community approach that Andre shared with us to make this, let's call it a quantum leap for industry?
Well, this is a topic that I really have, let's say, near to me because of my role as a technology transfer expert. The truth is that every time we face an industrial revolution, such as we are actually doing, there is a chicken and the egg problem. We want to push a revolutionary technology, such as IEC 61499 is, but actually there are not many people in the market using it yet, even if there is continuity, as Andre was explaining with respect to 61131. So what we need is to grow as fast as possible an installed basis of people that not only just buy the technology, but also show the potentiality of it. Because honestly, we can go and talk for hours about how we could do incredible things with 61499, but there is nothing such as hundreds of use cases, of examples to guide the entry for other people to start using the technology. And let me say that the direct involvement of end users is going to be fundamental in this phase, because end users are going to express their need. And what we are offering is a new technology to satisfy better existing needs. So we need to start from customers, from end users. And another point which is fundamental is exploiting the interoperability of the IEC 61499 standard. It is a standard which was conceived to be hardware independent and to be interoperable, which is something, I must be honest in saying, was not satisfied by 61131 standard. So this is a strength of our technology, of this technology, which should really be exploited. I would like also to add a couple of words about the concept of having an ecosystem. Traditionally, the industrial automation domain has been mostly what is called a linear value chain. Everything starts from suppliers, from vendors, and then goes progressively into the market. Now, in bringing forward the concept of an ecosystem, of a marketplace, we are actually pushing the automation domain to become what is called a multi-sided market, where you have multiple complementors contributing together to the growth of the value of the market itself. So you have software developers who are going to develop libraries in 61499, reusable in different domains. Now, it's not just about putting online a digital marketplace. It's really sustaining the creation of a community. And this ecosystem that Andre presented, and which is partially already launching in the SchneiderElectricExchange.com platform, is exactly what we need to sustain the growth of this new technology.
Franco, I'm glad you mentioned it's not about just having a marketplace, but it's having this sustained community. And Bridget, I can see you nodding as well along with us. What are your thoughts on this collaborative ecosystem, this sustained community, as Franco mentioned?
So one of the things that I was thinking about as I was nodding was thinking back to the ISA standards work that I've been involved with over the years. So the International Society of Automation over the last year or so has started some efforts to write standards around control algorithms. So one of the first ones that they've started on is the PID algo, which most people would think, oh, we've been doing that for decades. What could there possibly be to do? And the reality is that all the different proprietary systems had their own slightly different interpretation, and most of them also had multiple versions. So part of it is to kind of re-engineer that again. So would make a pitch that people get involved in that. And so the main reason that I got involved with the ISA many years ago was to try and make sure that what they put out in a standard was resilient and made sense for my processes. So kind of what I was thinking is it's really the same pitch here for the end users and the other integrators to all get involved so that we make sure that what we're producing as this next generation really is resilient and fit for use and all that good stuff. And really, it's a new playing field. So, you know, in any part of life, a team is going to come up with a better solution than any one company, one individual. So definitely see it as an interesting opportunity to jump in and make sure that what we produce is better.
If you like this innovation talk and would like to see more like it, please scan this QR code to access exclusive discussions by industry experts. Now that you've heard firsthand how other organizations, such as Wood and Sinusis, are taking advantage of Schneider Electric Exchange, I'd like to show you what the platform looks like and how you can start using it today. Search and find answers to your energy management and industrial automation challenges. Browse a selection of digital offers. Expand your reach by listing products and services. Find a specialized service provider, and so much more. Let's take a look now. Thank you all for joining us today. I'd like to invite you to join us on exchange.sc.com. Simply scan the QR code to start collaborating today with an open ecosystem of partners and customers to innovate and drive business growth. Explore the marketplace with over 500 digital offers, or join in on the conversations in the community. See you soon on exchange.sc.com.